right, Toosters. In 2 bets. It's me and Tall here again. Where we at, Tall?
Wire the fans, finishing the cooling system, and on to the fuel system.
You wiring up the fans, the electrical fans. Got that Be Cool radiator. What you say? This one got 2 speeds on it, right?
Yeah.
So we did the derail fan. I hate this. I hate that plug. I ain't gonna lie.
They don't give it to us, so.
Well, they ain't give it to us, but. So he wiring up the fans for both speeds. I guess one for the AC and one for keeping it cool. It actually fits perfect, he say. So we rolling. It's about time to fire this thing up. Next, you say the fuel system, right?
Yes.
So we're doing the fuel system. This is a special fuel system here. This one is made by Spooner's Pro Shop. We couldn't find nothing, absolutely nothing, for a 58 Lincoln. This is a 58, right? I'm starting to think otherwise.
The 58 when we started.
We did find out that this is not 5 on 5. It's 5 on 5.5. We learned that the hard way.
Before or after the wheels were cut?
Huh?
Before or after they cut the planks?
Well, that was after they cut the wheels. And we measured and realized that that was not a 5 on 5. But it isn't too late because we're down to how many more days? How many more weeks? That sounds better. Weeks sound better than days. We down to 3 weeks. Well, 2.5. Damn, it getting shorter and shorter, ain't it? So after that, like you said, he's going to the fuel system, which they offered nothing for. So we had to take the tank out and modify the tank. For what? The sump, right? Then you say a sump, a baffle?
Yeah, for the baffle.
So Tallhead had to make a baffle for it. So he split it open. It didn't go kaboom. Welded it back. Made a baffle. So that way the baffle, what's the purpose of the baffle?
Keep it from running out of gas in the corners.
That's the purpose of the baffle, is to keep it from running out of gas when you're turning left or right. That way it holds gas on the inside of this little box thing that he made. And as far as the fuel pump, we're doing a external fuel pump to feed this LS. 823 heads. So we rocking, we rolling. It's looking good. February the 5th is going to be here before we know it. The vehicle has to be done by February the 5th. It's going to take about a week to get there. As long as it's there before February the 12th, we good. Be there for rehearsal. Got to check out the playbook. But that's about that on that, man. I'm going to keep y'all updated. And this interior is going to be all so sexy when it's done. Y'all know we doing interior swap on this one. That was part of the deal to have it done by. You know, he had to throw all kind of stipulations in there. And that was one of them. So I'm going to let y'all get a load of that interior on the next video. I'll be back in a minute.